Mm-hmm.
See?
Yeah. Basically all the ones that were cooked.
So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We made the Doritos and Cool Ranch. This is a Cool Ranch. This is the sweet chili heat, and then these are donuts that we made with the extras, and then we have mayo and ketchup sauce because we didn't
Donuts that we made with the extra what?
the extra egg and flour. Okay, do you want to try one and I try one, and then we'll like switch?
Sure. One do you want to try first?
I'll try the Cool Ranch.
Alright, good.
So this is a Cool Ranch.
This one's gonna be better. This is the sweet chili heat.
Should we dip it in first or just
No,
try it? Yeah.
I'm not
Okay.
dipping it.
Okay, let's go ahead and then 1, 2, 3. Choice. This is actually really good.
Mm-hmm.
This is organic chicken, right?
Yep. No antibiotics or something? I don't know. What is that?
This is good, but I feel like it'd be better with the sauce.
Yeah, I mean, I guess, yeah. I'll try the sauce on the next one.
Okay, with the sauce. This turned out really good.
Good. Nice. So is the idea that we have to eat all this or what?
I mean, we could try. I didn't
I don't know how you eat it like that. Like, that's gross.
Like what?
Like, you eat all, like...
All of it, baby.
Like, would you eat that off the end?
Yeah.
Like, that's literally just skin and, like, fat.
No, that's where all the calcium is.
This one looks so good. No. It wasn't focusing very well, but whatever.
Oh my god, these are so juicy.
Yeah.
Holy shit. How do you feel?
The sweet chili heat's better.
It's lacking kind of like flavor in the chicken part. Like I feel like we should have put like spices in like the
These are drumsticks. Like, drumsticks have natural flavor. Like, it's not like white meat that's just like dry and gross.
I don't know, but putting like flavor into drumsticks is even better because it's already flavorful. I definitely like the sauce on it.
The sauce is going on it.
Will you try it?
On the first bite of this one, I did. Yeah, on the Cool Ranch ones, you can't really taste like the Cool Ranch as much.
Yeah, I agree.
On the sweet chili heat ones, you can't taste like the
So-
sweetness still.
For some of the Cool Ranch though, we actually just didn't grind it up. We just crushed it. So maybe these ones might have
Yeah.
better. This is really good. It's kind of greasy though.
Yeah.
I'm actually happy we didn't deep fry it because it'd be like really oily.
Yeah. I feel like all the flavor would be cooked out of the
Yeah.
Dorito stuff too.
A little bit.
No, not good. Actually, yeah.
Yeah, it'll give it flavor.
Put like right there. Oh, you just dropped it on.
Show the camera. Show the camera. Ooh. Are Applebee's only in the States?
I don't know. I don't even think I've ever been to Applebee's.
I don't think I have either.
That was the most random question.
Because I want it. Everyone talks about. Oh no, it's Olive Garden with the breadsticks, right?
Oh, yeah, that's only in the States. I have a funny story about Olive Garden actually.
What's that?
I was sitting in a meeting at work, and I don't know, actually it wasn't even a meeting, it was like a lunch meeting thing with all of our managers. And we were talking about like some trip that I went on to Michigan for this like golf trip. And I was saying how Michigan is very like, the food availability is like really shitty.
Really?
And yeah, so
Like not many restaurants?
Yeah, like once we got across the border, like I was saying that we should wait to eat until we get across the border, and then I'm like, oh, we can go somewhere that's like more like nicer, because like usually when you go to the States, like their fast food or faster food, like Olive Garden for example, is like better. And I was like, yeah, like something like more fine dining than like McDonald's.
Yeah.
And then everybody like makes fun of me to this day about saying that Olive Garden is fine dining, which it isn't, but compared to McDonald's, it's a lot better.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
But it was,
but it's still not like the best.
I got tripped.
Did you eat it?
For a long time. What?
Did you eat Olive Garden?
No, we got across the border, and then we like drove around for 20 minutes trying to find somewhere to eat, and there was like nothing but McDonald's. So we ate fucking McDonald's. It was terrible.
Sounds about right.
But I was expecting. It was my first time ever being in Michigan, and it was not the greatest.
Man. I'm so full already. I hate myself.
What are you doing?
Dancing.
Why am I not surprised?
Rude. Yeah, the chicken definitely needs flavor. Like, it needs to be marinated or something. Oh, your favorite part.
That's disgusting.
It's because he's white.
Well,
I'm gonna help you, but
I wish I didn't eat so many of those donuts before.
how many did you eat?
I don't know. Basically all the ones that were cooked before these were done.
Wow. These donuts are actually so bomb. That's my first time making it. My hair looks so messed up. I look so whack right now.
I should do like a timed eating competition thing.
See how fast you can eat that one. Go.
No.
Why?
Because I want to enjoy it.
I feel that. It's actually so good.
Yeah.
I kind of want to make these donuts like on random cheat days too. Oh, they're really good.
That wouldn't be my first choice of something to eat on a cheat meal.
Why? I like them.
They're good, but like,
Yeah, like they're good, but not that good.
yeah, like when I have a cheat meal, it's like
You want to go ham?
not even go ham. It's just like things that I just don't normally eat. Even just like pasta, to be honest.
Pasta is really good. Oh my god, we should make like chicken Alfredo.
I'd be down. That's great.
These are good, but I couldn't eat them all the time.
No. Why would you want to eat this all the time?
I feel like a lot of people would want to eat this all the time. You know?
No.
There's a lot of people who do.
There's a lot of people that eat fried chicken and Doritos all the time. So I guess you're right.
I feel like I just gained 30 pounds.
Hmm?
I feel like I just gained 30 pounds. I'm so full.
Hmm. Can't be that bad. What?
It's not my phone or yours.
Oh. Probably mine. Yeah, I guess. We're getting there.
I'm so fucking full.
Alright, fine.
You're not even eating any of the Cool Ranch ones.
Yeah, because I like the other ones better.
You can take them home if you want.
No, we'll see. Actually, no, I don't need to take them home. What are you eating? Why are you eating the donut? Eat the chicken.
Oh my god!
What?
Your phone. Yeah, it's yours. You should put it on silent.
Well, it's too late now.
Gotta do it the Asian way. We need like pickles or something to cut the grease.
What?
Asian people eat like greasy food with like something like pickly, like pickled like vegetables because it cuts the grease.
Make some pickled eggs.
Pickled eggs?
Have you ever had pickled egg?
That's disgusting.
Oh my god, pickled eggs are amazing.
Come on, I'm so full.
I can eat more, I just don't really want to.
One more. One more. Oh shit!
Oh my god. I don't even think you introduced me at the beginning of the video. Good job.
So for those who are
What an
wondering,
excellent YouTuber you are.
this is my boyfriend, Evan. You gotta take a bigger bite. like a super big bite, like borderline disgusting.
Yeah, I'm good.
That's what people like.
The Cool Ranch ones do need the sauce.
Yeah, the Cool Ranch one just like lacks some. Oh, nice.
You're so weird.
I'm not. Alright, this is what we have left. The chips too, I was kind of like snacking on them.
Yeah, well, I ate the rest of the bag of the chili heat things.
You did. You ate all of the sweet chili heat.
Yeah, yeah.
Whatever. This turned out good though.
No, Mom.
It's good though, eh?
Yeah.
Turned out really good. I give some to my friends.
The whole 3 pieces left.
Those are big these are big drumsticks.
Great.
I'm just as gross. Anyway, well guys, this mukbang was successful. Turned out a lot better than I thought it was, but definitely gonna try something with a little bit more flavor next time. Yeah, and here is our leftovers. We're probably gonna...
The plates look so disgusting.
Yeah, the plates look pretty gross, but that's fine. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I post every Sunday. Please subscribe to my channel, comment down below if you can, and please hit a like if you think that this was
it's
really
not hard
delicious.
to comment. You really just have to type something.
Yeah, even just like a happy face. One happy face, that's fine. Anyway guys, thanks again for watching, and stay tuned because I'm going to do more of these kind of recipes. They're really good. Bye!
Bye.
Bye.